हस्तशिल्पा means creation by hand. आज मैं ये मणिपाल के हस्तशिल्प कला केंद्र में हूँ। लेट्स सी अंदर क्या है, होपफुली अच्छा ही होगा। वेलकम to the Hastashilpa Heritage Village in Manipal. Before entering the Hastashilpa, first we have to purchase ticket, and this is the ticket counter. The Heritage Village in Manipal is an internationally recognized heritage site. Vijay Nashinoy built the Hastashilpa as a passion project in the 70s and 80s, the objective of which was to preserve culture and heritage in the wake of the wanton modernization of the world. Worth visiting these heritage buildings. How the owner built all the buildings with old wooden carved pillars and crafted panels. What a lovely place! Also, that future generations know our past way of life and culture. Detailed book on Heritage Village Museum available soon. You can get all the details from here. I should say that this place has created lovely and unforgettable memories for myself because I am here on my solo trip, first time in Manipal. First and foremost, I really appreciate the thought and vision of this whole project. Transport, rebuild, and maintain these masterpieces in unimaginable. Also, that future generation know our past way of life and culture. It is gift to all Indians and on a second thought to entire humanity. It is a beyond my vocabulary to share my feelings and amazed me when I saw this place.
उसे था उस टाइम पे
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
अभी ऐसी
ये
बात
पहले से ही ऐसी है
नहीं नहीं वो दूसरी जगह में था उधर से रख के इधर से
अच्छा 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 ओके अभी पानी में
बोलो रे बोलो रे पपी हीरा मोतियन के हार पहनाऊं हीरा मोतियन के हार पहनाऊं बोलो रे
Here I come to the best part of the Heritage Village Hastashilpa Museum, the rocks structure. Apart from the dedicated structure inside are the various rocks that were also transported from far away places, which has been arranged in an aesthetic manner that have made them one of the most famous attraction at the Heritage Village. I strongly trust that such kind of a heritage is a unique in this planet. 32 ancient buildings, few of age 10th centuries or more. What a graceful place to visit. One visit is not enough. We made two but still missing something. Overall, a very engaging and refreshing experience. My only recommendation is to carry umbrella in case you are going there in the afternoon because it can get really hot walking under the sun for 90 minutes or so. The trip does end with a cool and refreshing kokum drink. So that was a very nice way to end the walk.
हीरा मोतियन के हार पे
ओह So finally, my Hasta Shilpa Heritage Village Museum trip ended here. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye and take care. Yet not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now. Lots of love.